Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to candle timer right here on MetaTrader 5. And if you want to do this, you need to add this as a new indicator, and we will do this real quick. So what we're going to do is go to this website. I put this website in my description, so there you can click on it to go to this website. And then right here we need to click here on candle time indicator. Then right now he will send us to this page. Select right here for what you need this indicator, and then we click here on download. Then he's downloading right here the file, and then what we're going to do right now is put this file somewhere where we want to have it. So extract to, and then we do this on desktop. Then right now we close this and go back to MetaTrader 5. And what we are going to do now is click on File, Open Data Folder, MQL5, and then right here, go to Indicators. Then right now, what we are going to do is we are going to throw this file in this box right here. And then right now, what we are going to do is when we right mouse click right here and do refresh, you see right here that we now have it standing right there. And then right now we are having the indicator, and right now the market is closed, so it's not possible to use it. But if we have it right here and we throw it to the chart right there, you can also create here inputs, colors or visualization, what you want to do, and then click on OK, and then he will do this automatically. So now we have a nice candle time indicator, and this is exactly what I wanted you to show. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.